Classical sciences emphasize the importance of maintaining a balanced and unobstructed flow of vital fluids and energies throughout the body to support optimum physiological functioning. The key principle involved in this is the body's circulatory system. The circulatory system is an intricate network transporting nutrients, gases, and waste products throughout the body. It includes the heart, blood vessels, and blood. Because of its numerous primary and secondary implications, it has a fundamental role and impact on the body's overall energy, growth, and repair processes. Diet is one critical factor that can substantially impact these functions, with a core emphasis on diet quality. Subsequently, substantial scientific evidence now suggests that whole foods and natural foods, such as vegetables, fruits, and other plant sources, contain several active compounds supporting the proper functioning of the human body system. This, however, has a long-standing history in classical sciences, the key elements being whole food body-friendly bioactive diets, preparatory methods, and suitability-based fasting, which essentially allows the body to take a break from constant input. However, there is a fine line between healthily allowing the body to take a break as opposed to depleting it of vital needs. A major aspect to improving one's integral physical, mental, and energy functions is to recognize and address lifestyle through methodical and systematic modifications. The circulatory system is also known as the cardiovascular, vascular, or blood circulation system. Several studies today recognize the impact of taxing and nutrient-deficient foods on the body, suggesting that non-communicable chronic concerns such as cardiovascular, metabolic, and other lifestyle-related issues may be prevented through high-quality diets. Taking this further, a diet or particular food can either help this process and support it to work optimally or be counterproductive and create a taxing effect, requiring the body to work harder to transport, distribute, and excrete excess. Also, high-quality body-friendly diets serve as preventive nutrition for non-communicable chronic health issues, categorized as lifestyle-related problems such as cardiovascular, metabolic, blood sugar imbalances, mental ailments, etc. Preventive nutrition, again, is an existing concept in classical sciences, where diet is treated as nourishing rather than simply for palatability and convenience alone. Given this premise and the evidence supporting cause and effect, it's clear that nourishing the body with body-friendly foods is a crucial principle. For instance, nutrient compounds from digested food are absorbed into the bloodstream through the walls of the small intestine. From there, the nutrients are transported via the bloodstream to various tissues and organs throughout the body. Once in the bloodstream, the nutrients travel through the circulatory network, which includes the arteries, capillaries, and veins, to reach their destination. The capillaries exchange nutrients with the body's cells, providing the necessary sustenance for proper functioning. This intricate process ensures that essential nutrients are distributed efficiently throughout the body. In essence, food and liquid is comprehensively distributed throughout the body, and therefore the quality of a diet matters. According to Fisberg et al., 2024, eating habits are shaped in childhood by a combination of genetic and environmental factors and can accompany the individual during adolescence and adulthood, as well as the consequences of their food choices. Further, taking into account the gut-brain axis relationship, diet indirectly influences the brain and its functions. The integrity of the blood-brain barrier is essential for preventing potentially harmful substances from entering the brain tissue. The blood-brain barrier is a highly selective semi-permeable border that separates the circulating blood from the brain and extracellular fluid in the central nervous system. It plays a crucial role in protecting the brain from harmful substances while allowing essential nutrients to pass through. Bad foods can lead to inflammation, oxidative stress, and increased permeability of the blood-brain barrier. As a result, harmful substances and toxins may penetrate the brain more easily, potentially contributing to neurological disorders and cognitive decline. Additionally, the circulatory system ensures that the absorbed nutrients and oxygen are delivered to the brain and other organs, supporting their proper function. Therefore, a high-quality diet supports these intricate functions as it impacts the absorption of essential nutrients in the intestines and influences the overall health of the blood-brain barrier and the circulatory system. Natural substances, as compared to modified, synthetic, and long-life materials, are deemed life-giving in classical sciences. In terms of the body's behavior and response to what it's fed, it communicates this through its biofeedback. Similarly, in classical sciences like Ayurveda, it is long recognized that whole food bioactive diets provide nutrient-dense sustenance. These diets promote longevity and optimize health by supporting the circulatory system. The bioactive diet is considered a gold standard in classical sciences. It involves consuming whole, organic, and fresh produce, which are easily digested and beneficial for overall bodily function. Healthy excretion is also an important aspect of this comprehensive system. It involves the elimination of waste and excess materials from the body to maintain proper balance. This in turn has a visceral impact on the circulatory system to work efficiently. And an example on high-quality choices for a nutrient-rich diet in a case study by Lee et al. 2022. It suggests that evidence shows that whole grains possess multiple health benefits compared with refined grains. Whole grains are unprocessed natural foods easily absorbed and distributed by the body, such as oats. Importantly, there is growing evidence demonstrating that bioactive substances derived from whole grains, such as polyphenols, georesinol, B-cytosterol, betaine, octocosanol, alkyl resorcinols, and B-glucan, could enhance myogenesis, muscle mass, and metabolic function. And dietary fiber, which is better preserved in whole grains, has been reported to prevent age-associated declines in skeletal muscle mass. This is an exceptional example of diets that distribute compounds that help the body to energize, grow, and repair. Whole grains form an integral part of classical nutrition. Lastly, here are some few of the vast amount of plant compounds recognized for their positive actions in diet and the human body, according to Sharifi Rad et al. 2020, resveratrol found in red grapes, etc., stimulates the production of the sirtuin-1 protein called the longevity gene and thus helps maintain cellular health, slowing the aging process. Resveratrol is considered a key ingredient in longevity. Also, polyphenols are one of the most important groups of natural cardioprotective, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory agents found in human foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, herbs, and seeds. These molecules are secondary metabolites responsible for pigmentation, reproduction, growth, and protection against pathogens in plant-based foods. As suggested by Rocha Gonzalez H.E. et al. 2008, Ayurveda refers to fermented red grape juice as a cardiotonic compound within its given context, specific purpose, and measures. Overall, bioactive compounds support energy, growth, and repair. Several of these compounds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidative, promote metabolic integrity, and subsequently optimize aging as part of a well-balanced approach. Foods such as legumes and seeds also provide a good source of protein, complex carbohydrates, fiber, minerals such as magnesium, and vitamins. The world of high-quality diets are comprehensive, nutritionally rich, and favorable for optimal body functions, subject to suitability and individual health status.